We're looking at a targeted approach in our skincare. Right now, there are so many different brands. Do I recommend the rehydrating toner or the refreshing toner? Do I recommend Sonia or do I recommend Fleur? Which mask, mask powder or marine mask? And which of our 5 moisturizers would I recommend to someone who has dry skin? We want to make those questions simple and easy for you to answer. So we're creating a look and feel that will identify all of the Forever skincare products as products of Forever Living products. And we're going to do that with branding that is absolutely gorgeous. So now you have the Infinite by Forever product line that represents a dry, maturing skin. It is equally amazing for men as it is for women. Do not mistake this as a beauty line. It can serve that purpose, but it really is designed to help us look better and feel better. And anybody can use this product line. We're finding that aging, people who become conscious and aware and begin spending money on aging starts as early as age 26 and goes all the way up. So anybody is a candidate for this, not just someone with dry skin or not just someone who's starting to see those fines and lines and wrinkles pop through. Now, then on the other side, we have the Fleur de Jouvence, which is a product line that would be more designed for combination skin that is sometimes dry, sometimes oily, sometimes neither, and sometimes both. It fluctuates. It goes through these changes, and we want to be able to support that fluctuation, which is the future of Fleur de Jouvence. It's designed to support that combination skin. So you have Prestige, Elevated in Infinite, and then you have your combination skincare support in your Fleur, and then we have this middle ground. And so I'm going to announce some products that are going to live in this middle ground, and you will see these products coming soon to your markets. Let's start first with Awakening Eye Cream. We all know and love our alluring eyes, but move over, we have a new product that is designed for the ultimate eye experience. Now I have to tell you, this is one of the products that I am most proud of. I have told people I would stand this product up against Lancôme, La Mer, La Prairie. I would stand it up against a New Skin or any one of our competitors, and I would compete with those executives with this product every single day of the week and twice on Sunday. It is absolutely amazing, to the point where I have executives, vice presidents coming to my office. Hey, Holly, can I get some more of that eye cream? They love this product. Highly active, again, designed for fine lines and wrinkles, under eye puffiness. It is a powerful anti-aging formula, and it is coming soon. Next up, we have our refreshing toner from the Sonia kit. As I mentioned, Infinite will be replacing Sonia. And, well, that middle ground, not everybody wants a toner. But for those who do, we have created an amazing new toner called Balancing Toner that leverages the power of botanicals and aloe to bring the skin into balance. Hydrates, helps to control oil, and supports the fluctuations of the skin in a toner. Beautiful product, new branding so that you can recognize it as an option to select for skin concerns. No longer are we looking at skin types, Infinite and Fleur. We're now looking at a concern. Somebody who has dry skin and somebody who has oily skin, those are very different skin types. And you would use different products for those skin types. But all of those people will have concerns for fine lines and wrinkles, under eye puffiness, increased moisturization, balancing toner, masks that tone and tighten the skin. That's product that will reside in this targeted category. And once again, as we phase out and run out some of these products, you're going to begin to see these new, elevated, more natural, wonderful products enter your markets. Smoothing exfoliator from the skincare kit. Sonia, we know skincare science is telling us that the skin already exfoliates itself. Your skin sheds dead skin cells constantly, but every once in a while, those dead skin cells stick to the surface of the skin. And I'm telling you, they are so sticky, you can't brush them away. You need help. The skin needs help, but the skin does not need help every day. 2 to 3 times a week, you're going to use a more granulated smoothing exfoliator. It is more of a granulated based exfoliation product, and it does this with 3 ingredients. Now, the dead skin cells sit on the skin, and what do they do? Why do you not want them there? Well, number one, they refract light in all different directions, and the skin looks dull and sallow. And number two, they act as a speed bump when you put other products on. You're not getting past the dead skin cells, so we need to get them off the skin. And so we're going to do that with a brand new product called Smoothing Exfoliator with 3 natural ingredients. Bamboo, flex brushly sweeps off the surface of the skin. Jojoba beads roll around the skin, and they just kind of boop, and they just bump those dead skin cells right off the face. Then we have lemon extract designed to help assist the skin rid itself of those dead skin cells. It is a powerful product, it is a new product, and you will see it coming soon as part of that targeted line. And finally, we have a brand new product we're excited to tell you about, and that is Protecting Day Lotion with SPF 20 for the face. It has been designed with the anti-aging benefits of Infinite. It has a myriad of ingredients to support the lipid and the stem cell of the aloe, a lot of natural botanicals combined with the best of science, and the sunscreens are mineral-based. So you have natural minerals designed to help the complexion. Now keep in mind, mineral sunscreens are a little bit more whitening. These are the sunscreens. I don't know if you remember the days when you used to see videos and you'd see people with their noses and they were all white. That was titanium and zinc dioxide. This new Protecting Day Lotion has those mineral-based sunscreens in it, so it is a little bit more white. But you just simply work to move it in because let's face it, you don't want sunscreen in your skin. You want it on the surface of your skin, but you do want the benefits of aloe and those moisturizing properties in your skin. And this intelligently, scientifically designed product is one of those products designed specifically for the face for anti-aging sun protection. And these all will be coming soon, and by soon I mean very, very soon. You'll begin to see these products pop up in your market. We are really excited about the future of products here at Forever. It is an exciting time to target customers that we've never approached before, to attract a new demographic, and to retain the people that we are introducing to the business because they love our products so much. All of these products are coming soon. There's going to be some transitions, but I promise you it's designed with the strategy of you in mind, your business, growing your business the way you want and attracting the customers that suit you best. So again, try them, love them, become products of the products, and I sincerely would love to hear each of your success stories as you promote these amazing products.